Photon Energy is a 15-year-old company. We have been in solar for a long time now, and we're one of the pioneers in solar industry. We have recently set up a 3 megawatt plant in Belgaum, Karnataka, along with Titan Energy, who have installed other project. And I will go through some of the challenges a developer would face. I mean, our situation was slightly different because we set it up for a utility. But any developer putting up a PV power plant in India would face some of these challenges. There are 4 key challenges for any developer of a solar PV plant in India. The first one being regulatory, the second one being the physical location, the site identification, the third being financial, and finally the material challenge. There are some constraint in material right equipment these days, so that's also a challenge to make sure the project is done right. Okay, the regulatory challenge. PV project, I keep getting a lot of calls which call me up and say, can we install a project for 1 megawatt, 2 megawatt? But unfortunately, it's totally controlled by the government, central government, MNRE, and the state nodal agencies run the allotment. For most installations, you have to go through those agencies. There's no option of putting up a private power plant and using it for internal use. And it's a very limited capacity because it's expensive, and the reason the government has a limited budget, and there's a huge appetite. As you're aware, I mean, everybody these days wants to put up a solar PV plant, but unfortunately there's a very limited capacity by the government of India. And finally, as two speakers before me spoken, grid connectivity is a major challenge in India. The right point of connectivity is very important to make sure that the project is viable and the right PLF is achieved. Okay, coming back to the site identification itself, I mean, Ramesh has spent a lot of time on this, but also give a lot of people call me up and ask this solar insulation at this site is fine, can we go ahead and put up a plant there? I mean, solar insulation is important, but it is not the only factor. I mean, there are other factors to be taken care of to make sure the project is installed in time and there's no problem. Soil conditions, gradient, water drain flows, and of course the grid proximity for evacuation. Most of the allotments in India have conditions where the transmission loss are to the developer. So unless you have a proximity to the grid, whatever you generate, again, by the time you take it to the grid, that loss is also to your account.